So installing auto dimming mirror on the Cherokee XJ, folks. So have a look at this. This is my stock mirror, the one that comes with the Jeep as standard. To remove this, you're going to have to remove one little screw from here, and then the mirror simply comes off. And have a look at this here. So this is the stock mirror, and this is the one that I got from Grand Cherokee WJ. This came off from a 2002 model. So as you can see, they're different, totally different. Not only this one's bigger, it's also got this little sensor here which detects the change of lighting. You've also got this little diode here which illuminates green when the mirror is powered. So if you take a look at the back of it, here is where the differences are vast. You're going to have this connector here with the wiring for this mirror, and there's going to be 5 wires there. And what I found out that 3 wires will be left unused, and that's going to be the black and purple wire. So hopefully you can see there's a little purple line on it. Another one that's going to be unused is the black and white wire, and the last one, which is going to be unused, is the solid black wire, which is this one here. Now the 2 wires that actually power this auto dimming mirror is going to be the yellow black wire. So hopefully you can see this. Can you see the yellow black wire? So I currently have this black wire spliced into it. You see yellow black, that one here. Alright, and the other one which will be used is the green black wire, which currently has the red one spliced into it. So the yellow black is your ground, and then the green black is your feed of the ignition. So once you've taken your overhead console off, at the very front between those sunshades you're going to have this smaller, more sort of cubic connector with 12 wires. So the white black is power, and the green black is your ground. So you see on the right hand side of the screen you've got this black and white wire and green and black wire. So black and white is your power, and green and black is your ground.
A few moments later.
Okay folks, so have a look at this. So I've soldered those wires here. So as you can see, I've got the red one and the black one coming out. They'll go through that gap between the roof and the lining. And I've got 2 cables coming out here. You've got the black on the left and the red on the right. Alright, so next thing you'll see, I've uncovered those wires here. As you can see, I've got naked wire here and naked wire here, and this is where I'm going to splice. Alright, so have a look at this. As you can see, my ground wire from the mirror is now going to the green and black cable from the connector, and the power cable from the mirror is going to the black and white cable from the connector. So I've spliced in nicely, and I've also isolated with a bit of tape. So I'm now going to turn the ignition, and hopefully it's all going to light up. There we go. Fantastic. I'm going to switch it off and it should die down. Wonderful. Right, man, as you can see, I've got the head console back on. Now all I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to secure those 2 screws here that just hold the console attached to the roof. So now have a look behind. It's all nicely and neatly secured. No wires, no cables hanging. It looks absolutely fantastic. Alright, and the final little job here is just to make sure the mirror doesn't fall off. So just screw in that little torque screw in there, and then you're going to be good to go. So now I'm going to wait until it gets a bit darker and I'm going to take it for a spin. And so have a look at this, peeps. So it's a bit darker outside, as you can see. And let's see how all this works. So if I turn the lights on and then suddenly turn the lights off, you'll see how much darker the mirror is. See? It's beautiful. Works fantastic, and now it gets brighter. So once again, lights on. It got darker, and as soon as I switch the lights off, it's gonna get slightly brighter. Look at this. See this? There we go. Fantastic.